Minka Aire fan remotes use radio frequency technology to communicate wirelessly with your ceiling fan. Understanding how this system works is essential for successful reprogramming. The receiver unit is located at the top of your ceiling fan, typically inside the fan housing. This receiver processes signals from your remote control to operate the fan and lights. Reprogramming becomes necessary in several situations: when your remote stops working, after replacing batteries, when you experience interference from other devices, or when installing a new remote. Compatibility is crucial for successful pairing. Minka Aire uses two different remote systems that are not compatible with each other: 256-bit and 32-bit systems. Always verify that your remote is designed for your specific Minka Aire fan model. Check the compatibility chart in your fan's manual or on the manufacturer's website. Before attempting any reprogramming procedures, start with basic troubleshooting. Replace the remote's batteries with fresh ones and ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the fan's receiver. Understanding these fundamentals will help ensure successful reprogramming. In the next section, we'll cover the specific step-by-step methods to reprogram your Minka Aire remote. There are three primary methods to reprogram your Minka Aire remote. Each method works for different situations and remote models. Method 1 uses the Learn button found on both the remote and receiver. This is the most reliable method for most Minka Aire models. Step 1. Turn off electricity to the fan at the main circuit breaker. Safety first when working with electrical components. Step 2. Locate the Learn button on both the receiver unit inside the fan and on your remote control. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for several seconds. Step 3. Press any button on the remote to confirm pairing. The fan light will blink to indicate successful connection. Test all functions to ensure proper operation. Method 2 uses the Stop button and is often the quickest approach. This method works well when the Learn button method is not available. Step 1. Turn off power at the circuit breaker. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then turn the power back on. This resets the receiver. Step 2. Within 60 seconds of restoring power, press and hold the Stop button on the remote while pointing it toward the fan. Hold for 3 to 10 seconds. Step 3. The fan's downlight should blink twice to confirm the receiver has learned the frequency. The fan may turn on and off, then back off to indicate success. Method 3 involves setting a unique frequency using number buttons inside the remote. This method is useful when you have multiple fans that might interfere with each other. Step 1. Turn off power to the fan at the breaker. Open the battery cover on the remote to reveal the number buttons inside. Step 2. Change the combination of number buttons to set a unique frequency. You can change just one button or any combination. Ignore any buttons labeled zone. Step 3. Restore power to the fan at the breaker. Within 60 seconds, reinsert the battery and press and hold the Stop button until the fan turns off and on, then back off. If these methods don't work, first try replacing the remote batteries and ensure clear line of sight to the fan. For persistent issues, contact Minka Aire customer support for assistance.